Factor tree of 120. So 120, it can be written as 2 times 60. 2 times 60 mean 120. The 60, it can be written as 2 times 30. 2 times 30 mean 60. This 30, it can be written as 2 times 15. 2 times 15 mean 30. And 15, it can be written as 3 times 5. 3 times 5 mean 15. So now we have to select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 2, 2, 3 and 5. So 120 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is these 2 times these 2 times these 2 times these 3 and at last this 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.